and things. So watch it, P, watch it. Oh God. Just because I'm see I'm here, you recognize them get up out of the field.
Young peeps, so morning. Say, I go back up in the bush there. Yeah. The tractor to forward and scrape down the land, but never forward. So if I'm forward today and I want to scrape down the land, them, bird season and thing. I want to get enough birds, so yeah. So by the time season start, everything's supposed to be alright. So sure, no, I go and still, yeah, cause it's a good journey still. Yeah. Yeah, so stay tuned, Alright, so reach, Mako go and do anything. Right now, a little spirit, spirit not there. I don't want to dump it box with dung. Right side aisle. I don't want to dump it box with dung, so you can buy a little spirit. Yeah, a little spirit. Peeps, alright, just go buy a room and come back, if you have a spirit, I think that. Brother, man. Yeah. So, you can see there. Back over and go and do thing. Yeah. This look good. Yeah, spirit, Ray and his nephew, Kabam, Pepsi. To what I see how they get always I give you, Yeah, I think. I'm gonna have to shake out some out there.
Yo, can I come?
It's fake, it's really real.
I want to do a drink.
I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you know. So imagine, we're there a bush, We're there a bush. And a partner run. Fuck, go on. Suffer, we are going to suffer. I'm dead for hungry, dog.
Guess what they give if you kill me?
Rum to boom. I travel with the spirit still, but, so, go on, yeah. Go on, there, on one side. I have over here stuff to do too, all over here stuff, so. No thing go, stay tuned, So go and do it. Your spirit.
I look for the blood clot, but for the mangoes. If I look for the mangoes, I stand one place, I give myself fuck. I'm making
Yo, you see that show that stuff?
Yeah. Things are going. Trouble. Yeah, man, with a rich long time, when you cook much command full and you sitting there. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps, so see me. They are flinging down, I feel. Alright. There you go. Get in the bird them, Get them tame, get them used to the place, so they come here to shoot. But they are like, fuck Ray, a thing go. So, Dan, if you tie too long to you can rice to grow, I can reap some rice, you know. Yeah, so we are going to do a thing. Go and do a thing for you there. We have our next field to go after this. We don't know if it's possible. But we make gonna know, you know, we see. If we get to reach there, you know. So people, imagine. Oh God, look at good fireside or cook pan over there. And nothing now go on today. We're dead for hungry, you know.
Fuckery.
Hungry I go kill we. Hungry I kill we today. Anyways, yes, tractor man start. Yeah, that go on anything. No thing go. But boy, we're dead for hungry today now peeps. So, you know where you go.
You know, have to put up with tax next week.
Yeah, man, I pitch we could chop all in cover the fireside and build some table and them thing around the tree them and you know official peeps, you know. The season start first morning as I say, and I go see all our go on, you know. Yeah man, so you think go, you know. Yeah man. Alright, you know. We're bringing some lucky subscribers still, you know, so carry one or two of them company Bud Bush. You know, and then get an experience, you know. No thing go. Easy. Boy, a long time. We don't have to do over here, say, you know. A long time.
A long time I don't come up here because see a man, you don't have vomit like a hot.
Yo, fuck, we go on. Man, we cook about canned pork. Wild pork, that. No canned pork. Here my peeps. So we have to finish. Right there. Right. There. Right there. Right, so we have two sides, we have over there, so. Yes, sir. Oh God, man, you want a butterfly, you don't know, peeps. That's the one I do some more work. You get on your bush side, this up freeway. You get on your bush side freeway. Alright. I have a next little piece work from that up. So, when I reach there, show them how I go on, you know. Show them how I go on when I reach there. Yeah, my peeps, so I left for up, I say, you know. See it there? What is it do? What is it do?
Whoa!
So the thing set, I reach by the next little piece of work, make them know how I go on, you see me? Yeah, my peeps, so I'm up on the garage and all still, but no thing go, you know. Just remember, you know, like, share, subscribe, you know, comment and thing. Just go on now, man, you know what I think, man. So we out, you know.